What if I told you that most SUVs on the market today are just average? That's right, despite all the hype, only a handful truly deliver on reliability, safety, and driving experience. But today, we're revealing the 7 nearly perfect SUVs that dominate the competition, backed by Consumer Reports data, real-world testing, and thousands of owner reviews. These are the SUVs that make all others forgettable. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUV fits your lifestyle, whether you need a rugged off-roader, a fuel-sipping hybrid, or a family hauler with luxury touches. And trust me, number 2 will shock you. Number 7. Subaru Forester. The 2025 Subaru Forester continues to define what an all-weather SUV should be. The latest generation has evolved from merely practical to genuinely impressive, with its legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, now enhanced with advanced torque vectoring that provides grip when other SUVs start spinning wheels. What makes the new Forester special is how it balances ruggedness with refinement. The redesigned chassis is 10% stiffer, creating a platform that remains composed whether you're navigating potholed city streets or Forest Service roads. Inside, Subaru has addressed previous noise complaints with improved sound insulation that makes highway cruising surprisingly serene. The cabin remains a masterclass in thoughtful design, offering 508 liters of cargo space that expands to a cavernous 1,773 liters with the seats folded. The latest 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 isn't just popular, it's financially brilliant. With resale values consistently outperforming the segment average by 15% after 5 years. It's a purchase that protects your investment like few others can. The 2025 refresh brings subtle but meaningful improvements, including a more premium interior with softer touchpoints and standard blind spot monitoring across all trims. The hybrid variant continues to impress with 40 miles per gallon combined efficiency, while the ride quality has been fine-tuned to better absorb road imperfections, addressing one of the few criticisms of previous models. For those seeking both efficiency and exhilaration, the RAV4 Prime PHEV delivers a remarkable 302 combined horsepower and 42 miles of electric-only range. This dual-personality SUV sprints to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds quicker than many dedicated sports cars, while still qualifying for remaining federal tax incentives when purchased new. Number 5. Honda CR-V. When someone asks for a recommendation without specifying their needs, the Honda CR-V is my go-to answer because it excels in virtually every category that matters to everyday drivers. The latest generation features a turbocharged engine that delivers responsive acceleration, while returning excellent fuel economy. The hybrid model now rivals the RAV4's efficiency, while offering a smoother power delivery. What truly sets the CR-V apart is its interior packaging magic. Honda somehow creates more usable space than competitors, despite similar external dimensions. The redesigned center console features configurable storage with removable dividers, while the one-touch folding rear seats create a flat load floor in seconds. Honda's latest infotainment system finally matches the competition in responsiveness, and the comprehensive Honda Sensing Safety Suite now includes rear cross-traffic braking and driver attention monitoring as standard features. Number 4. Mazda CX5. If you've ever wondered whether a mainstream brand could deliver a genuine luxury experience without the premium price tag, the Mazda CX5 provides a resounding yes. This is the SUV for drivers who view the daily commute as more than just transportation. The cabin approaches Audi-level refinement with genuine aluminum accents, available Nappa leather, and acoustic glass that creates a hushed environment even at highway speeds. The meticulous attention to detail extends to the driving dynamics, where the CX5's G-Vectoring Control Plus system subtly adjusts power delivery and braking through corners to create handling that's genuinely engaging. The turbocharged 2.5-liter engine in upper trims delivers 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel, launching the CX5 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds. Even the base naturally aspirated engine offers respectable performance while returning 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Number 3. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Three-row SUVs and fuel efficiency typically don't belong in the same sentence, which makes the Toyota Highlander Hybrid all the more impressive. This family hauler achieves a remarkable 35 miles per gallon combined, nearly double what some competitors offer, without compromising capability. The latest model features Toyota's refined hybrid system that seamlessly transitions between electric and gasoline power, with available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, providing confidence in variable conditions. The hybrid battery is strategically packaged to minimize intrusion into the cargo area, though the third row remains best suited for younger passengers or shorter trips. What sets the Highlander Hybrid apart is its exceptional range, up to 600 miles per tank, making it ideal for road trips where stops are dictated by human needs rather than fuel requirements. Toyota's legendary reliability record means this is a vehicle built for the long haul, both literally and figuratively. Number 2. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade shares its mechanical DNA with the Telluride, but distinguishes itself through technology and comfort features that cater to the connected family. The standout dual 12.3-inch screens create a panoramic digital cockpit that's both visually impressive and intuitively functional. Unique features like the blind spot camera that displays in the gauge cluster. When you activate your turn signal, add genuine safety benefits beyond mere gadgetry. The Palisade excels in passenger comfort with available heated and ventilated seats in all rows, a feature normally reserved for luxury flagships, while the tri-zone climate control with rear ceiling vents ensures everyone travels in comfort regardless of outside conditions. The ride quality favors comfort over the slightly firmer Telluride, with enhanced sound insulation making this an excellent highway cruiser. Add in Hyundai's comprehensive warranty package and complimentary maintenance program, and the Palisade makes a compelling case as a tech-forward family hauler that doesn't compromise on practicality. Number 1. Kia Telluride. Here's where traditional luxury brands should be worried. The Kia Telluride continues to redefine expectations of what a mainstream three-row SUV can be. Its exceptional build quality and upscale design have earned it top honors in Consumer Reports testing, outscoring vehicles costing tens of thousands more. The spacious interior accommodates adults comfortably in all three rows, a rare feat in this segment, while thoughtful touches like one-touch folding seats and USB ports for every passenger demonstrate Kia's understanding of how families actually use these vehicles. The latest model year brings an enhanced highway driving assist system that combines adaptive cruise control with lane keeping in a way that reduces driver fatigue on long trips. The naturally aspirated V6 delivers 291 horsepower through a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, providing confident acceleration and up to 5,500 pounds of towing capacity in the X-Pro trim. While the 21 miles per gallon combined fuel economy won't win efficiency awards, the Telluride's 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty provides peace of mind for the long haul. Each of these exceptional SUVs brings something special to the table. So, who wins? Adventure seekers need the Forester's AWD. Tech lovers will drool over the Palisade. Families should eye the Telluride's space, while commuters can't go wrong with the RAV4 Hybrid. And if you crave driving joy, the CX5 Turbo is your soulmate. Drop a comment below, and if you own one, tell us your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS car reviews. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.